The 44-inch Hugger is a classic-style ceiling fan with a low-profile design. The fan is rated for indoor use only and is pull chain operated. The 44-inch blade span is perfectly suited for small rooms that are 10 feet by 10 feet or smaller. The fan can be installed on regular ceilings or low ceilings. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that has 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. On the mounting plate, remove the screw on the right and loosen the screw on the left. Repeat for the other side of the plate. On the ceiling box, loosen the 2 screws. Bring the mounting plate up to the box and slide it over the screws. Tighten both screws securely. Bring the fan motor up to the box and insert the T-section diagonally into the slot on the mounting plate. Now you can make the electrical connections. Use a wire nut to combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, motor, and hanger bracket together. Combine the neutral wire from the box with the white wire from the fan. Combine the hot wire from the box with the black and blue wires from the fan. If your box has 2 hot wires to control the fan and light separately, combine one hot wire with the black wire from the fan and the other hot wire with the blue wire from the fan. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Lift the end of the motor mounting bar and align it with the mounting plate holes. Insert 2 mounting plate screws and tighten them securely. Align the remaining 2 holes on the mounting bar and secure it with 2 more mounting plate screws. Ensure the motor wires are tucked above the motor. Bring the motor housing up to the fan. Align and twist over the loose screws, then insert the removed screws and tighten all screws securely. The fan is properly mounted and the fan blades can now be installed. Prepare a fan blade and a blade arm. Align the blade arm over the desired side of the blade, then insert and tighten 3 blade attachment screws. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. Bring a blade assembly up to the motor and align the holes. Insert and tighten 2 blade arm attachment screws. Repeat the process for the remaining blade assemblies. The light kit can now be installed. On the light kit, remove all 3 light kit mounting screws. Bring the light kit up to the fan and snap the wire connection plugs together. Lift the light kit into the switch housing, being sure to align the cutout for the reverse switch. Then insert and tighten the 3 removed screws. Slide the pull chains through the guide holes on the light kit. Install the included LED bulb. Bring the shade up to the fan and align it inside the light kit. Tighten all 3 thumb screws evenly around the shade to hold it in place. Clip on the pull chains and fobs. If you do not plan on using the light function, the fan features the option to cap off the light. On the light kit assembly, remove the metal nut and washer from the top of the switch cap. Remove the light kit. Use the included plastic plug to cover the bottom hole. Install the switch cap, then clip on the pull chains and fobs. Power can safely be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The speed pull chain cycles through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. The light pull chain toggles the light on or off. With the fan turned off, you can use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, please call the customer service number in your owner's manual.